The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Cardano today again. Why not? Because it's going up. It's up. It's like 14% now, 13-14% now. So I think you are having a good day today. That's for sure. So we're gonna see where it got support and what's gonna happen next. Like where is the targets? What he has to do. I don't actually know what kind of target it is. I got one target. I'm gonna show you. It's like sky high all the way to the moon. Will that pan out or not? We don't know. But it's interesting to say the least. So let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and start seeing what we have. So this area down here, the yellow area, that was 0.96. That was some kind of support, right? And we said this should hold, but we on the 4 hourly we had this 200 moving average that we also said that might be actually support that we need. And you can see here it wicked all the way down to the yellow area, right, to the support down here, but it was the 4 hourly 200 moving average that actually held it, and now we bounced harder above it. So I think this big bounce off of the support, these two support areas, kind of confirms that this is some kind of bottom. It doesn't have to be, it can pull back, anything can happen, but right now it kind of looks that way. So it's looking good, at least it's looking good. So 14% on Cardano today, it's looking good. You are getting some money back, right? So we are above this very important line at 1.15, and you guys who've been watching my videos, Cardano videos lately, you know the importance of 115 line, how important it is to be above that line, because all the moving average, you can see here, all the moving averages were around 1.15. So getting above, now some of those are even further down, so 115 is not that important. We want to get above this 100 line over here, but being above 50 and 20 moving average on the 4 hour is pretty decent. But getting above there, it's psychological level, because it was holding us back for so long, right? It was some kind of resistance up there, and we had some kind of support down here. So there was this trading range between 111 and 115. So getting above 115 on the daily and staying on above 115 on the daily, that will be very nice. You can see also on the daily that we have right now the 20 moving average exactly at where the price is. Let me, you can see this. I hope you don't get epileptic, what is it called? Yeah, you know what I think. Anyways, that's where the 20 moving average is. We are above the 10 moving average. We want to get above the moving averages one way or other. That's the first step. You want to get above the moving averages, and this 20 moving average on the daily corresponds very nicely with the 115 line. So you want to get above the 115 line and close above 115 line and stay there. You do that, you are like halfway to heaven, So what has to happen after that for us to continue moving up? We have to get above, make higher high than 120. Next step after that is 120, 119, 120, right? If we can close above 120, 190 on the daily, you are above this this high over here. That means that technically you got higher high, because this was some high, you got a higher high. Technically you are starting an option, and that's very bullish as well. So that's looking good, that's looking very good. After that, of course, we got this all-time high that has to be broken at 131, but I don't think we're gonna go all the way there today, because we got 115, 119, 131. How that's gonna pan out and how it's gonna climb the averages and stuff like that, that can take a little while. I don't think this is this isn't ready to just go above all-time high, just go like to the moon today, but it is ready to get out of the dump. I think it's ready to get out of the the bottom. I think it's ready. I think it's how do you call it? It flushed some weekends, and now it can finally move higher up, hopefully. But we have to close above 150. If we don't close above 150, like it can go like down to 0.8 or something like that. Crazy numbers, you know, crazy numbers. So let's just see quickly what's happening on the MACD. And I like, you see the MACD here, it's starting converging again. That means this kind of was some kind of like intermediate bottom, but this can also mean that this is some kind of bottom and moving averages. We will get bullish cross somewhere around here, maybe in a week or two or something like that, and that's actually when this might actually start getting a new all-time high. It's not gonna get new all-time tomorrow. That's I think it's not anything can happen. It can be popped tomorrow, you know. People are crazy, people are just buying, people don't care. You know, the thing with crypto, like people know how to buy, they don't know how to short. Only a very small percentage of people know how to short crypto, but most people know how to buy crypto. So that's why it's gonna go up. So anyways, this can go very high. So there was one line I wanted to show you, like crazy price prediction target. It's really crazy. Look at the this is the RSI, it's down at 47. That's also very bullish. RSI down to 47 indicates, especially after you're this far up, it's not gonna get down to 30. That's wishful thinking. 47 on RSI on the daily is very good. And yeah, and look at the RSI on the 4 hourly. It's all the way down to 30. I think this is bottom. I think this is the bottom. If we close above 115, I'm gonna be really bullish. I'm gonna really bullish, because then we are above certain moving averages and like the sky is green and all of that shebang. Also look at this. If it closes above 115, you also get this candle that's bullish engulfing candle, you know, Japanese sticks and stuff like that, Japanese candlesticks. So it's very bullish candle, however you see it, but we have to close above 115 or even closing above 112 above this 10 moving average on the daily is pretty decent. Or even above the, yeah, above 111 on the 4 hourly. That's 20 moving average down here. That's also gonna be very decent close, but preferably above 115. And now for the final show, for the final moment, for the final trick, I'm gonna show you. Let me just clean. I don't want to clean anything. Wait. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, so for the final move, for the final show, for the final performance, I'm gonna show you some insane target that actually doesn't have to happen, but it can happen. If it happens, it's all good and dandy, right? But usually, because how do you find out what's the next what next target can be once you're this price discovery area, right? So basically what you do is you do maybe this Fibonacci extension, and then you look for targets that it can hit, right? To usually 2.6, 3.6, 4.6, around 2.8, 3.5. Those are some normal targets to hit when it starts getting above the all-time high, right? But which one it will be, you have to follow and see what's actually happening. But we are not gonna use Fibonacci extension for that. We're gonna use crazy meme lines. And if you like this line, I want you to hit the like button. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. I don't think no, if you guys like this that much, maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. You see, I want to actually make this line first. I'm gonna show you this line first, and then we're gonna change it. So usually these tops over here, below the tops, usually you get some kind of bottom swings, right? These bottom swings usually create very nice trending lines that act as resistance, because support, and below it was resistance. So it is kind of trend like. So if it start going up, we can hit all the way up to 12. That would be nice, right? 12, 13. And I was thinking right now it's at Cardano is at 1. If it goes at 12, it's gonna be like 300 million market. Sorry, I don't remember. Can I do this? No, I don't want to do it now. It's gonna be some insane market cap, a lot bigger than Ethereum and stuff like that. And people are thinking, oh, that's never gonna happen. But then you have to think, Ethereum and Bitcoin, everything is gonna have a lot higher market cap. So it's still not gonna be higher than Ethereum, but it's gonna be high. So hitting 12 over here, it can happen. Now you can use other wicks than this one. You can use this one over here and this one over here, and then you don't quite hit it as nicely. But then the target should be around 3 or something like that. Anyway, however you see it, it starts looking good. I know Cardano is very what are you gonna call it? Cardano is very popular among normies right now. the regular people, so this can go pretty high once it's broken, but it's looking good. So hopefully that's some good news for you guys. I know you've been hating my channel for the last couple of days because you know, first I said there is a bottom here, there wasn't a button, then I said this must be button, and that was kind of a button, but people was still kind of bearish. And I hope now that you see that we actually got some kind of support over here, that that might lighten up your day a bit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. That's your thing to do, not mine. I did my part. Now it's you to do your part. Also like the video if you like the line that goes up to 12. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. No, see you later today because I think I'm gonna make more videos. Bye bye.